Community members, Assalamu alaikum, peace be with you. As you know, this is a very crucial year for everyone, 2016. It's a year of elections in our nation. So I would like to invite you to a very special event on April 21st, A Vision for Our City. It's really important for you to participate in this event. And unfortunately, I will not be able to join you. I am out of the country, but I would like you to attend this meeting. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Do you want to work for a better Fresno? Do you want to create more justice in our society, more justice in our economy, more justice in our policing and our policy making? If so, join Faith and Community on April 21st at St. Anthony Mary Claret Catholic Church when we come face to face with our next mayor, whoever that may be, and tell them that we demand a more just Fresno.
Vision for our city, April 21st, 2016 at 6:30 p.m. St. Anthony Mary Claret Catholic Church, 2494 South Chestnut Avenue.
Let us make the Muslim voice be heard. If you want a carpool, meet at the Islamic Cultural Center at 5:30 and we'll head on over and really try to make a difference and a more just Fresno.